This video is part of a series where we create a dynamic door block step by step. And in the final part we'll list all the blocks in the drawing and export them to Excel. I start with a stretch action, click the parameter, then select the grip, define the action area, and finally choose the objects to include. Right-click Enter. That's how far I got so far. I repeat the same on the next door leaf, which in my case is at 45 degrees. So, in the Properties panel, I set the angle offset value to 45. As you can see, it works. I do the same for the 90-degree leaf. And then I add a scale action to the parameter and select the arcs. Now I add a move action to the door size. The objects are the entire dimension label, all attributes, and both flip parameters. The movement isn't perfect yet, but if I set the distance multiplier to 0.5, it always stays exactly in the middle. I repeat this for the wall thickness as well. In the stretch action, I include the objects that adjust to the wall thickness, but not the swing parameter. I handle the swing parameter separately, with a move action linked to the wall thickness. Here, too, the distance multiplier is 0.5. In the test, the flip parameters don't appear yet, because they don't have actions assigned. At this point, I need to add the visibility parameter, so flipping will be possible. I assign a flip action to the hinge parameter. All objects, attributes, and parameters must be included along with the base point except the hinge parameter itself, and of course the dimension label with its attributes. I do the same for the swing parameter, assign a flip action with all objects and parameters, except the swing parameter itself. The linear parameters can also be predefined as increments, where you set a minimum and maximum value. In this case, I choose the list option instead, where I define the values myself. The block is already working pretty well. In the test phase, the attributes still don't update with the correct values. In the next part, I'll create the open angle variations and complete the block. Thanks for watching.